What's up? It's your favorite Magister Aeneas here with Lepidus Romulus Cato. We're about to take you through the Aeneid with blinding pace.
That's right. So we're going to just dive right into it. Here's the Latin. Aeneas is going to take you through.
All right, so immediately the limbs loosened by the chill for Aeneas. He groaned, and stretching both palms to the stars, he brings back with such a voice, "O 3 and 4 times blessed."
Oh, yeah. And so this is obviously a reference to Homer when he talks about in the Odyssey, one of Odysseus's speeches begins with "O 3 and 4 times." And so this is kind of a callback to that when Aeneas is starting his. So this is a continuation of the first part. So contigit here is translated impersonally. So it's kind of, it happened that to perish before the ora patrum, before the faces of their fathers, under the great walls of Troy. And this is kind of in juxtaposition to the high walls of Rome earlier in this story. And then he goes into a little bit of an ode. "Oh, the strongest Diomedes of the race of the Greeks." And so Bobby might say, why did you translate Tydidae as Diomedes? Well, Tydeus is actually the father of Diomedes. And he runs into Aeneas during battle and almost kills him. So going on from there, this line goes on to the next page as well. So I'll take the next one. "Surely I was not able," there's the non potuisse on the next one. "Surely I was not able to die on the Trojan fields, and by your right hand," which is the hand of Diomedes, "shed this soul," so die on the battlefield like all the other heroes. And he goes on with this ubi, and then there's another ubi on the next one. That's some nice anaphora. So this is where, this usually means savage, but it's more like here, fierce. Fierce Hector, fallen by the spear of the Icadian, who is Achilles, in the Iliad. And then where giant, Sarpedon.
Where Sarpedon, where so many shields, helmets, and strong bodies of the men turned, seized under the waves of Simois.
And the Simois is the river, one of the rivers. And so what Bobby's taking you through there is the three nouns and them turning in the river. And so for those of you who don't know, Sarpedon is Zeus, or rather Jupiter's son, and he fights in the Iliad. So that's it for us. Signing out. Don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you, and
Peace.